Dear friends, today I am here to introduce my first ebook to you. The ebook has been published in Amazon recently. The name of this ebook is Don't Just Organize, Organize Like a Pro. In this book, the material mainly contains there is a full guide to organize seminar, webinar, or workshop like these education events and a guide to issue web certificates. The book is mainly written for the people who organize seminars, webinars, or workshops like these education events, and for those people who issue web certificates in these educational events. Though my target audience is those people, but book is written in so lucid English that anyone can enrich themselves by reading this book. When you read this book, you will reveal what are the challenges that different organizers faced during these events. You will also reveal the types of certificates issued in different times and different places in these educational events. Another things you will also reveal that what are the best practices to organize these educational events. And last but not the least, the benefits of using a portal during these events. So, when you read this book, you will be benefited in many ways. Number one, you will be more confident in doing these events, and you will discover what are the best certificates you may issue in your upcoming events. You will be able to prepare an online residence certificate for your upcoming events in just 2 minutes. And not only that, after the events, you may issue 500 certificates in just 10 minutes. Not only issue, you will distribute, and you will save 500 certificates in just 10 minutes forever. So, don't waste your time. Please purchase the book from the link provided in this description of this video. You will get all this benefit very soon. The price of this book is ₹99, but for promotion it is now available in 50% discount. That means you will get this book only in ₹49. What are you thinking? It is not the last. You may also get this book free of cost, totally free of cost. But you have to do small things. What you have to do? Just purchase the book from the link provided in the description. Read this book and send me a feedback in my mail ID agosmsd@gmail.com. The mail ID is also provided in the description box. So don't waste your time. Read this book and send me a review of what you understand or what you think or what your feelings about this book. I will give you 100% refund. So, don't waste time. I am Dr. Organise Organise. So, meet you again. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please share it with your friends. Comment it. What you think, what you understand, or what are your feelings. Thank you. Bye bye.